In an era of connectivity, loss of electricity could equal frustration. Use power banks to charge devices and conserve their battery. Instead of scrolling, read a book and see what knowledge you stumble upon. Hone your skills. Work out to help you reach your fitness goals. Catch up on sleep lost during hours spent on devices scrolling or completing assignments. Take some time to reflect and think about your current state of being. With no TV to watch, increase family time, converse, play board games. Loss of connectivity, the perfect moment to get back in touch.